My word of advice for other female entrepreneurs who want to go global is that you have support and you're not alone and it's not all your responsibility, and to use those supports and to know that you deserve to go global and the opportunity is for you. I've been an entrepreneur, I think, since I was maybe 12, but I started this business in 2017. I've seen huge advantages for having a close relationship with the Trade Commissioner Service. With our Trade Commissioner, she's given us incredible opportunities that I would not have known about if she hadn't sent them to me. She also has done a lot of market research when we were exporting to France.
This challenge of being an exporter, taking my business from Canada to the world, has actually been seeing that there are opportunities, but actually having to identify that there's real challenges to make those opportunities happen. We didn't have that partnership and that representation with the Trade Commissioner Services. I don't think we would have been able to accomplish as much as we have up to this point, and who knows where we're going to go in the future.